Hello guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you're fine. I have a package to unbox from TikTok. It just came, so I just want to hurriedly unbox it and see how it is. So hope I won't hear what's inside. Okay, fast. Me silence it. Okay, what's this? I think these are eyeglasses. Okay. Yeah, how many things did I order? 3, 4, 5. I can't wait to start using this. 6. What's this? 7, 8. Let me unbox important things. So this is the first one. I don't know what's this. Everything I unbox, I'm going to put it on the screen so that you see what it is. If it is exactly okay. Oh, this is the cutlery, travel pack cutlery. Let me see how it is. This gold set of cutlery. How do I open it? This is just for work. See it here. It looks fine. Just arrange it like this. Arrange it here. This for your Chinese. Then this is a fork. Just arrange it here like this. This is red. I wanted to buy the pink, but I don't like the pink. The color of the red looks very rich. So this is it. So this will just be inside my bag all the time, because I usually take my cutlery, my spoon, to work. So I don't want to be doing that again. That's why I got this, and I think I love this. So this is it. Yeah, so this will be in my bag all the time. See the way I used to take my spoon to work. See the way I used to take my spoon to work. I'll just take this is my spoon. I'll wrap it in a kitchen roll. This one is always in my bag. So whenever I want to eat, that's what I used to eat. But that one has changed now. This is what will be in my bag all the time to eat my food at work or any other place. Yeah. Then this is a night wear. I got this thing, this one, 2 of it. This is the pink one. Yeah, I love this. This is the pink one. Comes in size large. I took the size large. Yeah, size. The other one, this is red. Also in size large. This red one, I love this. I love the fabric. This is in size large. I just hope it will be my size. Okay. Yeah, I got this one too. This selfie stick. I love this selfie stick so much. I have one. I've gotten this one for like over 2 years, but it's now got broken, and there is no way. See it, there's no way to glue it, and I love it so much, so I had to buy another one. Every content creator should have, yes, every content creator should have this selfie stick. Let me see if it's exactly the same. Yeah. I got, it was another color I got because I want to easily differentiate it. It's exactly the same. Every content creator should have this tripod stand. The reason is you can use it, you can put in your camera here, your camera or your lights. You can screw in your camera, your normal, not your phone, your camera here, screw in your phone here, and you can also screw in your lights, either your camera or your light here. Then this place is to adjust the angle, especially for those doing into food vlogging or food, anything that has to do with food, or anything that has to do with placing your item on a pavement, on a table or something like that. You should get this because this is really good. Really, we can take any phone. I love it very well. And with this one, you can use it to rotate it. Let me use this my phone as an example. Use this one to adjust it. It can be like this. Then you can put in your light here. Yeah. Then if the item is on the table, you can just adjust it, vertical angle or landscape angle. Okay, so it's very good. Then you can rotate it to any direction you want it. Very good. I will recommend this to every content creator so that you can get the best out of whatever you are doing. Then the last one is this one. This is the highlight of everything. Okay, no, there's another one. Okay, let me try open it. This is also like a stand. What's the name? A holder, a phone holder, but this one you put it on your neck. Oh my god, see it, see the picture. You wear this on your neck, you can get the very good angle. So everything is included here. See the picture, and this is it. Just screw it to your neck like this. How do I screw it out first? Okay, let me see. Okay, so you screw it on your neck like this. Then you place this one on top. How do you place this? Okay, let me bring it out and try it. Is it here? Okay. Yeah. Then you place your phone. It has a magnetic, yeah, it's like magnet here. You can use it to start your recording. So it will just be like this. It's very firm, so you can just be recording. Flip the camera. Yeah, so this is it. Yep. Alright, so that's it. These are the two things that really excite me about everything here. This one, especially this one. I really missed my That's my a lot. I've missed it a lot. So I'm going to be trying the ninth wear. I'll be trying the ninth wear and see if it actually fits me. I hope it does. Yeah, I hope it does. I love the pattern, the style, and the fabric. It feels very comfy. Yeah, and it will keep someone warm also. That brings me to the end of my mini unboxing. I have to go and study this thing and see how it can be used. So thank you for staying. Until I see you next time.